Welcome again to another session. Today we will be looking at the switch statement in Java development. Unlike the if then and if then else statement, the switch statement can have a number of possible execution paths. A switch works with the byte, short, char, and int primitive data types. It can also work with the string class and a few special classes that wrap certain primitive types, such as character, byte, short, and integer. We will discuss more of those later. In this demonstration, we see where we have an integer variable name, month, assigned a value of 8, and we have created a string variable called month string. We have used the switch statement to accept the value of 8, which is the variable month, and what will happen in this particular situation is that the value month will go the switch statement will take the value month and go through all the case and searches for the value that correspond with the value of 8. In this situation, month is equivalent to 8, and therefore August will be printed. One thing is mindful is that the keyword break is optional, but it is recommended that it should be used at the end of each case in order to terminate the remainder of the switch statement. In essence, what we are saying is that without the break statement, for example, if our value here is 8 and it prints August, without the break statement here, it will not only print August, but it will print September, it will print October, it will print November, it will print December. So let's look at what happened in this situation here. So here I have a break at 8. So my value here is 8, and I'm going to change the month to 8 right here. So what will happen is when I select 8 and 8 is here, I have a break statement. So when I run this program, you will notice that it breaks right here because I have a break statement. The condition is fulfilled. It prints August, it breaks and jump outside of the switch block and print I am done. Now if I change the value to 9, so now what will happen? Let's see. Notice, because I do not have a break at September, it also print October, it print November, it print December, and the default is not printed because why? There's a break here, it jumps, breaks from the loop, and then it print I am done. So the break statement is optional, but it is recommended. It's also important to note that the values here must have the same data type. So it's not recommended, and it's an illegal operation if you have one case of a different data type and another case of a different data type. That's a problem. I'm going to stop it right there for now. Hopefully that is helpful. You have a great day, and